for 30 days to a deal. Reminder that we are already at a deal, right? I have a deal in contract right now. This is a deal we're not going to wholesale, we're going to keep. All right, it's going to be a good slow flip, assuming it goes through. So we'll see. Never count your chickens until the ink dries at closing. There's some possible issues with this house. The seller has some issues I can foresee, but I have a good feeling. Let's see if this deal comes through. Okay, and again, we've had several other contracts, like good deals goes from real sellers. Problem was the due diligence. There were some title issues, and then there was at least one house, a duplex, that was a complete total disaster, and you couldn't give it to me for free. But real sellers from these Facebook leads. So where are we at? We're at $19.24 roughly per lead. We're at 18 leads. The frequency is high. I usually like to turn this frequency off when we get about 1.3, 1.4, but we're at 1.98, and we're in a challenge here. So I'm gonna let it go because our cost per result is still good, and our click-through rate all is still decent. We want to keep that usually about above 3. Okay, but I'm gonna show you what our cost per result is and how we monitor that. I like to keep the cost per lead at around $30 or less when we're in a small area like this. If we're going nationwide over 18, 19 states, we try to keep it, in the 20 range. But for this, I'm gonna try to keep it around 30. So let's just see what we're looking at. For this period, we're at 19 and 24. Let's see what we've been locally, right? So we'll go last week. See, it's inching up. Okay, we're at 20. So the lead flow is starting to slow down a little bit, or cost a little bit more. This is still very good. I'm not going to let it go. I got a lead yesterday that I'm going to call back today. I made an appointment today to talk after lunch. After she submitted her forms, she chatted me through Facebook. So I got some information through that, and I've got my offer and whatnot set up. I don't think it's going to be too great simply because it's a low value house. If we can get it on a sub 2 or owner financing, which is potential, it's with an old rental, we might be able to make some money out of it and turn it into a slow flip, but we shall see. Okay, let's do a quick dig in. First, we'll set this back to the last 30 days. This is just a 30-day campaign, so it don't matter. Let's dig in here and see again. All leads are coming from this one ad set. So when we build out the next campaign, which is going to be soon, especially as the cost per lead is increasing, we'll get another ad campaign going. We'll start working on that. I will build off of what's in this evergreen copy, which is called, that's just what I call it, evergreen copy. Okay, so now we're going to dig into here. We'll dig into here and see if there's anything else really giving us good results. All right, so this image here has gotten us like 15 of our leads. Okay, this is resonating with people. This is resonating with the people that are calling us, which is good. You want your creative to resonate with the people you really want. All right, people that have a house that looks like this is perfect. All right, this looks like money. All right, from a wholesale point or from a slow flip point, that looks like money to me. Okay, and let's take a look here. We looked at that. Let's look at text. We need to buy a few properties this month, right? We're getting our winning combination. We're getting our winning combinations. Okay, so let's clear all here. I wanted to see. I don't always look. Oops. We've had it going for a while. Yeah, we're getting them just about every day. There's really no days where there's no ads. We started on that day, and there's only been 2 days where we didn't get leads. Yeah, not looking so bad. This is a pretty good campaign. Let's see if we can get another deal out of it. All right, if you are looking for help with your Facebook lead ads, all right, we're going to be going back to Google soon. I've done them before. I don't do Google for myself right now for a number of reasons. But we will open that up to our customers again soon, just because I usually focus on one thing at a time. But if you're looking for help with your Facebook lead ads, we have space for one or two more people. Let me know if you would like some help. I'll be happy to help you, happy to get you some results like this. All right, until next time, have a great day.